Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use your free cash earnings on Zepto using a PC. Let's get started. First, open any browser on your PC, go to the FreeCash website and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you need to earn money first. You can earn money on FreeCash by completing offers, games and surveys. After you have enough balance, click on your balance at the top right corner. This will take you to the withdraw page. Now choose a withdraw option that you want to use on Zepto. The best options are usually gift cards if available or PayPal, which you can use for online payments. If FreeCash offers a shopping or brand gift card, select it and redeem it. If not, choose PayPal, enter your PayPal email and withdraw your money. Once the withdrawal is complete, you will receive a gift card code or a money in your PayPal account. Now open a new tab on your PC, go to the Zepto website, log in with your account, choose the groceries or item you want and add them to your cart. Go to the checkout at the payment section. If you have a gift card or wallet balance, apply it or choose PayPal online payment and pay using your FreeCash money. After payment is successful, your Zepto order is placed and that's it. That's how you use FreeCash earnings on Zepto using a PC. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.